Hey there, Saudi Arabia. Ready to break down the barriers and unlock the power of Zoom for seamless communication? Well, guess what? We've got a surprise solution for you at the end of this video. Introducing Mena VPN, the ultimate tool for unblocking Zoom and connecting with your team, friends, and family no matter where you are. Let's dive into how Mena VPN can help you stay connected. Here's step-by-step guide. 1. Download and install Mena VPN using the discount code in the description. 2. Open the app, sign in, and select a server location outside Saudi Arabia. 3. Connect to the server and launch Zoom. 4. Get ready to host meetings, catch up with friends, and join virtual gatherings hassle-free. But wait, there's more! Mena VPN offers lightning-fast speeds, ironclad security, and seamless performance to enhance your Zoom experience to the max. Don't let geo-restrictions hold you back from connecting with the world. Use the discount code in the description to get Mena VPN for free. Unlock Zoom and keep the conversations flowing with Mena VPN today.